How to fix Messenger logout. If you have any problem with the logout in your Messenger, this video is gonna help you a lot. So there is actually three solutions. The first solution, go to the settings, click on the apps, go to the apps manager, open Messenger right here, and now click on force stop. That's the first solution. The second one is go to the storage, click on clear data and click on delete. By the way, all the data is gonna be deleted, includes files and settings and accounts and databases, etc. Click delete, and that's the second solution. The third one is you have just to restart your phone. So that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video.